Have you ever struggled with creativity? Well, join me on a journey as I tell you how I solved my creative problems with a pigeon. So it all started a few days ago. Such a beautiful bird. So it's a racing pigeon, which is why there's the tags on her ankles. They come and stop off, basically. We've had this happen a couple times actually throughout the years. Every so often, usually, well, always around the summertime, a racing pigeon comes, settles in, moves in for a few weeks, and then kind of rest stops. It's quite a common occurrence. They'll just hang about here for however long they feel like, I suppose, and then she'll move off again. I don't know if it's come across on video, but I'm just absolutely blown away by the iridescent kind of purple, but then like green shiny feathers on her like neck. It's just stunning. So yeah, I hope this has given you some inspiration. Just do something weird. Do something that you don't normally do. That whatever you think you need to create, don't make that. Make something else. Something completely wild. Do it. I believe in you. You can do it. Creativity is supposed to be fun. Keep it fun. You hear that? I'll come for you. So, yeah, I solved my problems with a pigeon. I'm very wise, I know. I'm flapping my hands around a lot.